yeah, we made it. Let me turn off this car. So we made it. I'll show you where I am in a moment, but yeah, I had to get right off the computer after work and come directly here. I just get in those moods, you know, where I just need to be around things that's bigger than me, bigger than things that hold me back. Not much do, but yeah. So yeah, this is one of my absolute safe places in the mountains. I'm not really a hikey person, I guess. I'm just a path walker. I just walk past. That's about all I do. Let's go. So I'm taking this walk on the path, right? Tell me why I gotta use the bathroom. I'm so mad. so mad at myself right now. Don't have to find it out. It ain't nobody lurking. Don't. Oh, it's locked. The bathroom is locked. Okay. Y'all, the bathroom is locked. So I'm just gonna hold it real quick and go and do the purpose, what I came here to do. So let's go. So I actually came out here for 2 reasons. The first reason is to cleanse these 2 crystals that I just bought. This one I know is or is it this one? One of these is a reprogramming crystal. This is a citrine. Yeah, so these are the crystals, but I'm gonna put up on the video what they are and what they do. So I know that one is a reprogramming crystal. I believe it's this one, but I did want to cleanse them in the sun, so that's one of the reasons why I came here. But the other reason, let me sit this here. I'm gonna sit them in the sun so I can cleanse them. But the other reason is just it, you know what, life is just so beautiful. It's just gorgeous when you finally stop living in your own mental, like your own mental jail. Is jail a hard word? Mental bondage, let's put it that way. Yeah, when you stop living in your own mental bondage and having that love-hate relationship with your thoughts, anything is possible. I'm telling you. I'm out here in nature right now, and let me tell you something. 3 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, never would have thought. Never would have thought. Well, I can't truly say that. I can't truly say that. However, Yeah, I was in a lot of mental bondage years ago where it wasn't that I didn't think about it. It wasn't that I had negative thoughts about it. Let's put it like that. It wasn't that I ever had negative thoughts about anything, but what I was doing, I didn't think about it. Like, I didn't think about nothing other than the capacity at which I was at. I was very content with my life. Everything was going okay, but not like now. I sit and I'm just amazed. Just like, do you know what I mean? Like when I'll just drive through places and be like, I love my life. Like, I literally love my life. And I can honestly say that without like doubting myself, like doubting that whole phrase of what? Like, do I really want to say that? Or this and this happened last week, so I don't think that that's true. That's not true. When you can be on that level, even in the bad, even when things are not A plus and perfect, you on your way. You on your way, boo. So I sit out here and I say all that to say that first of all, nature absorbs negative energy. Look at the bunny. Let's see if we catch the bunny. But back to what I was saying. I done moved all over the place at this point. My crystal's still charging, but the lighting is better on this side a little bit, Why y'all didn't tell me that? But so hold on. Oh, so nature really absorbs negative energy, right? So that's why I spend most of all of my time on the outside in the earth. Not that I have a lot of negativity. It's whew, these damn things. So it's also like just a vibration. Like it helps raise your vibration. So that's another reason why I spend a lot of time out in the sun. It's so much wildlife. Did y'all see that bunny that I showed you? Yeah. So my crystals are charging. Another thing about negativity is that if people know that you're not a strong-willed person, even if you believe that everybody else, means well, people will try to play you. What is this? What is that? Y'all, it's so much stuff crawling around out here. I don't even know. My crystal's gonna have to hurry up and charge because I can't. They got too much stuff crawling around out here. Maybe this would be a better spot. Yeah, a little bit better. So yeah, negativity breeds in people, and they could say like they're the most positive person in the world, but anytime some people see a weakness in you, they will go ahead and try to point out your flaws. And you know what, as humans, sometimes we can't take a compliment. Like, we point out the negative. Somebody might say, oh, your hair is nice, and I may reply back, and actually I had to stop myself from doing this, to reply back and say, oh, well, yeah, but it's so hard, it's so high maintenance, or this or that, or this and that. And what we're doing is actually pointing out the negative before somebody else points them out and makes us feel bad or hurt our feelings. So we have to stop doing that. And ladies, we so quick to take a compliment from a man first and say thank you, and not share the negative with men, the opposite sex, but when it comes to a woman, we're quick to say, oh, well, this and that. Oh, no, if somebody tells you that outfit is cute, I'm a big one to say, because it always seems like it happens when I throw things on. But somebody else tell me when I knew, I'm still very much kept, very much nice looking outside of my, you know, I'm very business casual, and somebody will say, girl, you look so nice today. And I'm like, I rolled out of the bed and threw it on. I didn't literally roll out the bed, but what I'm saying is this is something that if I could take a dress and something else and some heels and pair it together, it's on and I'm out the door. That's like easy street for me. But just be mindful of how you approach yourself. What type of grace do you give yourself? And we always want to share that, we want to be this positive person. We want to present ourselves in the best light that we can, but we are the ones, when it comes to some people, that's sharing all those weaknesses or sharing all those doubts about ourselves. And like I said, I'm one too that does it too. I do it too, but I was really, really like on one years ago about that. But like now, I very rarely, I catch myself in a moment. And another thing that I don't like, hold on, my arm's getting tired, y'all. Another thing that I don't like is the fact of, like, don't tell people, even women, don't tell each other, you look good today. What do you mean I look good today? What? That whole thing today is what gets me. It's like, today? Just today? Like, stop doing that. That's like one of my, that's a word for me. And I don't like it to be used, so I teach people by, when I compliment someone or a fellow coworker or something like that, I always say, you look nice, or that's a great outfit, or where'd you go this weekend? Your hair is nice. I guess, yeah. But anyway, you know what I mean. That's just like a pet peeve of mine. So if you catch yourself doing it, telling somebody, oh, you look nice today, rephrase that. Rephrase that. Oh, you look special. You look very special. If it's like a one-off day, like, you look very special. Take a compliment, run with it. Don't harp on your negative or what you don't want people to bring up. Don't don't put a map and a target on you. Think they done? I don't know.